Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're doing a full review of Google Wallet and breaking down what it is, how it works, and whether it's worth using. So the video today is a Google Wallet review. Google Wallet is a digital wallet app that lets you store your credit and debit cards, boarding passes, transit cards, event tickets, loyalty cards, and more, all in one place on your phone. It's built into Android and works anywhere contactless payments are accepted. One of the best things about Google Wallet is how easy it is to use. Adding a card is simple, and once it's set up, you don't even need to open the app to pay. You just unlock your phone and tap it on the payment terminal. Google Wallet supports tap-to-pay using NFC and works in most stores, restaurants, and transit systems that accept contactless payments. After you tap, you'll see a confirmation on your screen letting you know the payment went through. Beyond payments, Google Wallet is great for organizing things like boarding passes and tickets. You can store your flight passes, event tickets, and even some transit cards, making it easy to access everything from one app without digging through emails or paper copies. When it comes to security, Google Wallet uses tokenization, meaning your real card number isn't shared with merchants. It also requires your phone to be unlocked using a PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock before payments can be made. That said, Google Wallet isn't perfect. Not every bank or card is supported in every country, and some features like peer-to-peer transfers or transit cards depend on your location. Feature rollouts can also take time, so not everyone sees the same options right away. Overall, Google Wallet is best for Android users who want a fast, secure, and convenient way to pay and store digital passes. If your bank is supported, it can easily replace your physical wallet for everyday use. If this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials and reviews, and leave a comment below if there's another app you want me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.